everyone, welcome and welcome back. Today we are going to do a fantastic DIY project that's perfect for those of you who loves upcycle, and we are going to breathe a new life into an old silver plate by painting, adding a touch of vintage charm with a decoupage of beautiful pictures. So if you are interested, stay with me and let's get started. First, we will start by painting the silver plate in white acrylic paint. This will not only cover any scratches or blemishes, but it will also create a blank canvas for our design. Next, we'll use decoupage to add a beautiful vintage picture. But before that, I would like to give the age look on the edges, and there are a few methods to achieve this. For this method, you would need candle and light. Will slightly burn the edges of the picture and it gives the authentic aged look. But be very careful, always have wet cloth with you. It would be much easier to control the burn. So if you are not comfortable of doing this, then the second method is for you. It is a very easy. Distress the corners of your piece of paper or picture with sandpaper or with something sharp, or even you can carefully rip the edges, roll them, bend them, and this is how you will give the age appearance. And then use a darker ink or wax or any dark color to highlight those edges. This will add a vintage feel and makes your picture truly unique. Decoupage is a technique that involves applying a thin layer of glue to a surface, then pressing a piece of paper or fabric onto it. This creates a unique look that's perfect for our project. Once the decoupage is dry, we'll add another layer of glue to seal the design. Then it's all dry. I'm using a clear wax to protect the paint. To give them more vintage look, I'm enhancing those features with a dark wax. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you enjoyed this project and want to see more, make sure to follow and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Happy upcycling!